This is Redmi Note 7 in blue color, and this is Redmi Note 7 in purple color. The most awaited smartphone of Xiaomi in 2019. Main reason is its beautiful design, 48 megapixel camera for an unbelievable budget price of $150. In Indian currency, it's 10,700 Indian rupees. These are the highest variant with 64GB storage and 6GB of RAM. The phone comes with a powerful Snapdragon 660, which is quite decent for its price. It has Gorilla Glass 5, Bluetooth 5 support, FM radio, and also Xiaomi has included IR blaster like most of its smartphones. So is this phone going to be the new budget king in the market? Let's unbox both the smartphones and find out more about it. But before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Let's quickly check the specs of the device first. This is the blue color variant with glass body. Remind me of Mi 8 Lite, another decent Xiaomi mid-ranger. Let's also see the purple color variant. So on the left I have the blue color variant and on the right I have the purple one. Both are with the same specifications. Both the color looks good. Xiaomi has really done a good job in terms of the design. There is also a standard black color variant. Write me in the comments which color you like the most. Inside the box, the phone comes with a USB Type-C cable and a normal adapter, no fast charger included, which is okay considering the price, but the phone does support Fast Charge 4.0. Also a rubberized case for the protection as the phone looks quite slippery. I must praise Xiaomi here for the design. Both the colors look stunning with the glass back and looks premium. Also you can see Redmi logo at the back, Xiaomi's sub-brand. Let's remove the plastic cover and turn on the smartphone. The phone is all screen except for the small dewdrop notch for the front camera and a small chin at the bottom side. Out of the box, the phone is running MIUI version 10.2 based on Android 9, which is excellent. From 64GB storage, you get 50GB as 14GB is utilized for the system applications. The design and the specification of this phone is awesome. If this phone is going to be launched in India, which I'm sure it will be, is going to be one of the best selling mid-ranger. Even after the launch of Samsung M10 and M20, I think this has a little bit edge. It comes with USB Type-C port at the bottom, and I think this year USB Type-C will be standard for most of the devices. Now this is a Chinese variant, so there are a lot of Chinese applications pre-installed and there is no Play Store. I will have to manually install the Play Store. I think soon the global variant will be out. Now let's check the fingerprint scanner of the device. The setup was quick and easy. Let's see how it performs while unlocking. Excellent. The fingerprint is very fast, just like a flagship device. No delay at all. Now let's see how does the face unlock feature works. Face unlock is also decent. Not as fast as the fingerprint scanner, but decent in daylight. I'm sure it will have issues unlocking at the night time as there is no hardware installed. Also, one important question if you are a gaming enthusiast, can the device play PUBG? The answer is yes. If Mi 8 Lite can play PUBG, it can also play as there is same processor in both the devices. It might get a little bit warm if you are playing for 2-3 hours non-stop, which is normal for any device. Now let's talk about the main highlight of the smartphone, its camera. On the rear it has 48 megapixel sensor combined with 5 megapixel depth sensor. Now there has been a big debate going about the camera as Snapdragon 660 can support maximum 25 megapixel processing images. On the front it has 13 megapixel camera with AI mode enabled. Also one important thing to know is that 48 megapixel camera option is only available in the Pro camera mode option. When you're using the camera in the auto mode, the pictures comes with 12 megapixel. And normally people tend to use the camera in auto mode. So this is a bad thing. Let's see some sample images and videos and find out more about the camera performance. The camera performance in my small testing was decent, but for some reason I was expecting more from the camera because there's a lot of advertisement by Xiaomi. But still, I will say it's a better camera than Galaxy M20. Soon I'll be doing a full comparison between both the devices. I must praise Xiaomi, especially for the design and the look of the smartphone. They have very minimum bezels. First time they are using the dewdrop notch, which is good. Gorilla Glass 5, IR blaster, camera is decent, 4000 mAh battery. So there is a lot of good things added by Xiaomi. And the best thing, you are getting all this for a price of $150, like 10,700 Indian rupees. I think this is going to be the new budget king in the market. After launching this device, Xiaomi has made the budget segment competition very tough. And it has all the potential to compete with Samsung M10 and M20. So overall, if you look at the specs, design and the price, I must say Xiaomi has a winner here. And it's not the first time. Xiaomi has done it before with the launch of Pocophone F1 in 2018 with Snapdragon 845 for a budget price. So I will give this phone a huge thumbs up, as for this price, what you're getting is worth it. Keep watching my videos after subscribing to my channel. Soon you will see in my channel the unboxing of Galaxy A8s, which is going to be very similar in terms of the looks and design of Galaxy S10. So stay tuned and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.